Hello everyone, I am Revati, Assistant Professor, Department of IT, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Hi, welcome to today's sessions. Our topic is Mission to Mission Communications. In this video, we are going to learn about the introductions of M2M communications, importance of M2M communications in IoT, communications models in M2M, and applications of M2M communications. Finally, examples of M2M communications. What is M2M communication? The M2M communication means the direct exchange of data between devices without the need for the human involvement. In IoT, this communications plays a very important role. It allows the sensors, actuators, and smart devices to automatically collect the information, process it, and then share it with other devices or cloud systems. Let's take a simple example to understand this. Imagine there is a temperature sensor in your room. This sensor keeps the measuring the room temperatures. When the temperatures become too high, it sends the data to the cloud server. The cloud then processes this data and automatically instruct your AC to switch on and the cool the room. So in this entire process, you did not press any button or give any manual command. The machines themselves communicated and took action. Now, let us look at the importance of mission to mission communications in IoT. The first important is automations. M2M allows device to communicate and take actions automatically without manual control. This means the system can run on their own, making life simpler and smarter. The second point is real-time monitoring. Whenever the sensors collect data, it is instantly shared with the other machines or servers. So this helps in quick decisions makings, which is very useful in applications like the healthcare, security, and industrial monitoring. The third important is scalability. Mission to mission communications supports the million of IoT devices working together. So whether it is smart cities, smart homes, or connected industries. So this scalabilities ensure that the large networks of devices can communicate without issues. Finally, efficiency. By enabling the automations and real-time communications, M2M reduces energy usage, saves time, and cut down the cost. So this is a highly beneficial in area like healthcare, smart agricultures, transportations, and home automations. Next, let us discuss the communications models in machine-to-machine communication. The first model is device-to-device. Here, two devices or sensors communicate directly with each other. For example, when the fire alarms detect the smoke, it can directly trigger the sprinkler systems to start without going through any server. The second model is a device to gateway. In this case, the devices send their collected data to a gateway. The gateways act as the middle point that gather the information and then forward it to other systems. The third model is a device to cloud. Here the sensors or devices communicate directly with the cloud server. The data is stored and processed in the cloud and decisions or actions are taken from there. Finally, we have the gateway to cloud models. In this case, the gateway first collect and process local data instead of sending all the raw information. If only the forward the useful and necessary data to this cloud, saving the bandwidth and resources. Now let us see some of the applications of machine to machine communications in IoT. The first applications in smart homes. Here, sensors can automatically control the home appliances, lighting, and even security systems, making our homes more comfortable and secure. The second applications in healthcare. Wearable sensors can continuously monitor a patient's vital signs, such as their heart rates or blood pressures, and send the data to the hospitals. This allows the doctors to take the quick actions when needed. The next we have the smart agricultures. Sensors in the field measure the soil qualities, moisture levels, and weather conditions. So this helps the farmers to optimize the irrigations and improve the crop yield with the less effort. Another important applications in smart cities. Street lights, traffic signals, and even the waste management systems can communicate with each other to save the energy and keep the city cleaner. Finally, we have the industrial IoT. The machines in factories can predict the failures in advance and adjust their operations automatically, reducing the downtime and improving efficiency. This diagram shows how machine to machine communications works in emergency situations. Suppose a car accident happens, immediately the car's emergency sensors detect the crashes and generates an alert. So this alert is then sent to the remote server through the communications network. From the server, the information is automatically forwarded to the nearest hospital and emergency services, alerting them about the accident. At the same time, the paramedic and the ambulance are also the alerted and dispatched to the accident locations. While the ambulance is on the way, the patient's vital signs are continuously monitored. These health details are automatically transmitted from these ambulance directly to these doctors in the hospitals. So this way, by the time the patient reaches the hospital, the doctors already have the medical data and are fully prepared to give the immediate treatments. So these examples clearly show how M2M communications in IoT can save the lives by enabling the in instant alerts, real-time data transmissions, and faster response during the emergencies. Thank you for your attention. We will meet again in the next sessions with another interesting topic.